Okay, I'm gonna show you guys how my next door neighbors get down with the Christmas decorations, and they get down, okay? Oh shit, where's my light on? Hold on. My gate's open. Oh, shoot. Alrighty, let's go. Where's my light on? Oh, there you go. Alright, let's back out my driveway. Backing out, backing out. This is the back shot. Well, the back view. Alright, the house across the street from me. They get it popping. Look at this. I'm gonna start it from the bottom. Right. Look at this. This is so pretty. Wow. This is all one house. Oh my gosh. These people got freaking decorations on their grass. Oh my god. It just keeps going. Oh, this house doesn't even have anything. That poor thing. Oh wow, the next house does. Oh man, this is nice. I mean, they still can't beat my next door neighbors, but it's okay. Going on down Wilcox Street. I mean, I like coming home because when I come home, I feel like I'm at home. I mean, these people really got me in the Christmas spirit because I actually forgot that Christmas was like next week. I really did. And I came home and I was just all of a sudden in the Christmas. Oh, I'm backing into somebody's driveway there. To get out of here. Okay, going back up the street. Now you can see everything from my side, the driver's side. Good driver's side. Okie dokie. Okie dokie. Yo, what I don't understand is why people really put decorations, well, so many decorations on their house, because, I mean, we live on a dead-end street and nobody comes down here. Oh shit, they got decorations in the backyard too? Oh my god. Yeah, nobody comes down here and they spend all this money to put freaking lights on their house. Tons and tons of lights and snow globes. You already have, oh my god, that's a big ass logo. You can't see it on the camera, but yeah, there's a big ass snow globe in their backyard. Look at it again. This is insane. This is so unnecessary, guys. Alright, I'm gonna turn around in circle. I might even show you my house. Alright, turning around. That's my house. As you can see, well, as you can't see, there's nothing to see because we don't have any kind of decorations or anything. Turning back in my driveway. Okie dokie. Wasn't that a nice tour, guys? I know. I'm just gonna keep the camera going. Keep it running, right? Alright. I like this song. Okie dokie, let's go inside. One more shot? Yep. Casper! Hold on just a minute. Turn off. Why is it not turning off? There you go, Casper. Good job. Alright. I didn't go anywhere, I was outside. Oh. Remember to change back that thing, you know? What? Yeah, I'm about to go do it right now. And listen, when you change it, use the same card. You know the little... I don't know what kind of... You know the dinner them where we buy? What dinners? The little dinner fish in with the baby little pasta business them.
Oh, money?
No.
Mama?
You know what little... Something like this tomato. That's tea. Like something like this.
Mommy?
You know it was... Matthew did all this by himself. Give your food, you know. Oh, you mean the sausages? Not the sausage. Then come in a little can where you pop up. yesterday I'm in CVS buy like 3. They sell them in so they in Stop and Shop. But I don't know if you want to go Stop and Shop. Okay. Look in at CVS if you see them here. Long like this.
Hi.
Hey, my name is Maddie.
Hi.
Maddie. Maddie.
That's what you get. Get out of here.
Go ahead.
You go away. Stop hitting the dog. Stop. Stop.
Stop. I'm gonna tickle you on the reindeer. No, I'm not going nowhere. Gotcha. This is my room. This is my fireplace. Like, this is my bathroom. In my room. This is my bed. I mean, since I moved out of school, I haven't really, like, you know, settled in or anything. Because, you know, all my stuff is at school, duh. But yeah, this is my loft. When I really want to think, I go up here and I sit and I think, and sometimes I go on the roof because there's a skylight up there and I just climb through and I go on the roof and chill. Yeah, I really like this room. It's my favorite because everybody leaves me alone and I just like relax and stuff. And I can just stay locked in here and I have like a whole world to myself. Well, not really. I'm just joking. But yeah, that's enough for today. Let's get out of here. Go in here. This is Maddie's room, something on the wall. Pretty sad. Yep, watching cartoons. Knocked out. Much more than to see all of love is. Call on me, brother. Love is. You better call on me, sister. When you love someone, you love from the heart. Because love is the start, yeah. Love is the answer for every question. Just ask yourself why? You under reindeer.